Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I made this mesh wreath. I use a lot of things from dollar store and a couple of things that I bought at Target, and this is what it looks like. So I decided to use a bunch of spiders and little purple, orange, and black for this wreath. I actually got those cauldrons at Target. They came in a pack of 8, I think. So I'm gonna start adding these bubbles that I found. I think it was dollar store, Dollar Tree. I think it might have been Dollar Tree. And this is gonna be like a potion coming out of the cauldron, or at least that's the effect I wanted to give it. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the wreath. I'm gonna start adding some of the pipe cleaners just to secure the mesh when it's time to do so. So as you can tell, you're just gonna kind of tie a knot and then go around the whole wreath with the mesh, making sure that you secure with the pipe cleaners. Now for the outer layer, do the same things, just continue securing those. This will add more volume to your wreath, and then do the same for the middle. I added a couple more of pipe cleaners just to make sure that it was gonna look full. I'm gonna add more pipe cleaners to secure the orange mesh, and I bought a pack at the dollar store. They are so cheap and it comes like 20-25, so I mean it will be enough for you to make this. I'm just gonna play around with this mesh. It's a contrasting color, and I'm just gonna tie it like that. I'm gonna kind of loop around the black, and it'll give it a cool effect. I wanted for this wreath to visually pop out, so I'm adding different ribbons and different textures here. And this one I got it at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna tie it here and there just to add a little bit more of orange. I was afraid that it was gonna be too dark, but I think it turned out pretty great. This ribbon I also found it at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna tie it with the pipe cleaners and put them in between the knots, trying to hide it a little, and just so it has different colors and textures and glitter, and it'll make it look really nice. Now I'm gonna add the lights. I bought these at Target, and they are pretty cool. It just needs 2 batteries, and I'm just gonna place it all around the wreath. Now for the last things, I'm just gonna add this sign. I got this, I believe it was Target, but they also have really cute ones at the Dollar Tree or a dollar store. I'm gonna start adding the spiders, the cauldrons, the pumpkins here and there, just trying to add more items and make it look full and really nice. This is actually a really big wreath, bigger than we thought it was going to be, but it looks amazing. Now since I noticed that the center was a little empty, I'm just gonna add a hanging spider. I'm gonna use a little bit of wire and just kind of hang it from the wreath, and it'll be kind of going to this enter if you dare sign this way. So it's just gonna be kind of floating in the air there, and now you won't be able to tell that it has this, a piece of wire. So now I'm gonna add more of those little details here, and also some of the balls that I use for the cauldron here and there, just to add more dimension to the wreath. and then you're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was so fun and easy to make. You don't have to spend a lot of money by making your own decorations. You can always make them yourself, especially if you go to the dollar store. They have pretty cool things in there that you can use. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know if you do, if you make your own, share it with me, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.